Hey everyone, so I have very weak nails, and so when I saw this at Walmart, it's the Nail Aid 1 Minute Artificials Acrylic Effect. When I saw this, I just had to go ahead and pick it up to give it a chance. It's supposed to make your nails as hard as acrylic and make them really strong so that they can grow without breaking off. If you want to pause it right here, you can, where you can kind of read the instructions and the description of it. But it says to apply 2 coats over dry nails, and then after that I put on my regular polish, and then I put another layer on top of that. Now these are what my natural nails look like. They're super short, they always break, they're very brittle, and they just need some help. Is all I can say. So this is what it looks like outside of the package. It has like a blue tint to it. It's clear and it has a blue little shadow tint to it. Then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to apply this, but I just want you to see the consistency and how it looks close up. Now this is what my nail looks like after 1 coat. It looks better already, most definitely. I definitely need help with my cuticles as well. And this is what it looks like after applying 2 coats. You can kind of see that shadow of blue. All in all, I thought this was a really good product, and I did feel like it made my nails stronger. But at the end of the day, I really prefer the Nutra nail brand. But I'll leave both of those links down in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.